Hi, good day, this is Alex from Internet Without Secret, right? So in this review videos, I would like to actually share with you this product we was launched yesterday, right? On this weather plus it's called Sonik. So basically Sonik is a mobile app builder. So in front of you this is a review page. You click the link below this video, you're going to come to this review page and you click any of the button inside here, it will bring you to this Sonik. This sales page says was first faster one-click iOS app Android mobile app builder at the door, one-time price, brand new, one-click cloud-based mobile app builder that you create unlimited mobile app for iOS and Android. Right? So this is a unique service, really. So-called powerful mobile app builders, and there's only 3 steps to follow. Right? Okay, later I will actually show you on the demo of this cloud app. Right? But so in this sales page, it said is Sony is able to generate this kind of income, right? Okay, so some of the earning testimonial here, right? And also do feel free to go through every single detail of this app, right? And this is mobile app is a really huge market to tap into, and a lot of businesses are actually going into mobile app to actually advertise or promote their business, or the mobile app will ultimately become their digital store, right? Okay, though there's when this pandemic season, a lot of physical stores closing now, and this give a lot of opportunity for this mobile app business to grow, right? So tap into this huge opportunity, right? And it can make you a lot of fortune, right? So coming back to this review page, in front of you, this is a Pro. It create unlimited iOS and Android app, come with simple drag and drop editor. It offer app development as a professional services, right? So it can offer app development in Fiverr or as a freelancers, right? And a lot of local businesses, they are actually hungry for mobile app. Okay, so there's no app store approval, right? So this by using this method, they don't need to actually go to the lengthy approval by app store or play store, right? Okay, there's no technical skill required, one-time price and use forever, right? So here is feel free to go through the detail I put together here. The first mobile app builder for iOS and Android, and the key here is it doesn't require App Store or Google Store approval, right? Because in the normal process, there is a long approval process. Then we end up with some rejection, right? Okay, because you don't have to publish this to the app store, right? There's a way you can actually get this app to download by the customer, the end user, right? So what I saw this front end OTO, the front end is $17 on the fully cloud-based cloud app for iOS, unlimited app compatible for WordPress as well. Inbuilt web-based builder, create unlimited web page and app, set unlimited notification, high converting DIY app template, right? So the Sony Pro Go Unlimited Pro feature unlock and 5 fast action bonus, right? Video hosting, commercial license, Sony host, and this is Sony Enterprise, right? Okay, 27 Sony DIY edition and also Sony white label edition, right? So you're ready to crush it with Sonic. Okay, imagine a minute from now you could start getting paid for big fat 1,000 sales straight to your bank account. So why not everyone has an app ready? Just 1% of company currently have their own mobile app. The issue most of the company are facing because they cannot get mobile app, because most people, they don't even know about the feature this type of this technology. They don't even know the potential with the mobile app. Not everyone can spend hundred or even $1,000 on development, right? Okay, so if you ask any developer to develop an app, they will going to charge you hundred or even $1,000 for development, right? They don't want to hire a team of developer and designer, right? Fine, and hard to install heavy software and plugin, right? So with Sony, you can also tap into so many features, right? Okay, so these are the features that come together with the Sony as a app builder. So there are 3 simple steps away to create your own iOS and Android app, right? So just 3 simple steps. Log into the user-friendly cloud app and select the design for your mobile app. Choose format, color, logo, and publish your app with one click straight to the iOS Android. Offer as a professional, so you can make money by offer app development by using these tools, right? Okay, right? So frequently asked questions. So it's a cloud-based business suite, right? Yes. So this is a user-friendly. Yes. Do you need a tax skin? No. Is there a money back? Yes. They give money back guarantee. Is there any hidden fee? No. There's no hidden fee. So to sum up, the key here is create unlimited iOS Android app. You can sell it to the local businesses, and this come with the easy drag and drop editor. There is no programming skill required whatsoever, right? There is no approval in the App Store, right? Everything is ready, user friendly, and no tech skill required, no prior experience, right? So in this Sonik, I also prepare exclusive bonuses, right? So the first bonuses, right? If you get the front end and any of the OTO here, right? Actually this is my own exclusive mobile marketing guide, right? And this has second special bonus on my mobile app source code value 997. You are going to get this free from me 200 plus Android iOS UDT source code. You just need to customize, put in your the application name, application ID, and so-called this your app ID, your Google app ID, and you are ready to publish to the App Store. This is something outside of the Sonic. You can actually make a lot of money out of these 200 plus Android. Of course, this is going to cost 97, but you're going to get this free from me if you purchase any of the front end or any of the OTO. And this is my exclusive guide. How you learn how to do niche finding or more mobile app, or how to get per install for only 5 cents or lower, right? Okay, so other things like the special bonus treat, you're going to get my online PLR store, right? This is a 6,000 PLR ebook video. The provider you get the front end and any of the OTO here. You're free to actually the bundle, they sell the ebook and video, right? So this is a three special bonuses you can only get with the front end or any OTO, and this is cost 997, but you're getting this for free from me. But the condition is you must buy the front end and any of the OTO, right? So if you don't buy the front end, but you are still getting a lot of other valuable bonuses from me, exclusive tip how to make money with Sonik, right? Okay, this is the exclusive tip I put together. 3.2 million PLR article again. This can make money out of this PLR article for your website, blog, and content, right? Free listing, building, video training. We have 100 click solo app, right? So this is a complete this building video training, and by the end of the video training, you are going to get 100 free click solo app. You can actually promote any offer with this 100 click solo app, and 5 conversion to you get more lead and sale. So how to convert better? And this is the answer you have here by learn how to actually put in this 5 conversion to into your sales page, right? And also get a lot of conversion, right? Smarty Builder and this e-commerce site builder, right? Alright, and we have 250k final KD is like more than what we call it as ClickFunnels. You're paying $99, but you're getting this free from me. Exclusive affiliate marketing training, how to make 10,000 per month, right? Okay, this is a really, really cool exclusive training. 160-day follow-up email series to make you money. Okay, this is for your email marketing, and 400 fill in the blank headline to boost email open rate and sales conversion, right? So this is for to boost your email marketing skill, right? Also, we have the VidSpark video creation app, right? Also, BotEngage Zapable creation app, and our Dishawada traffic app, Stripe iShop, affiliate store builder, and 15 free traffic method you don't know, and we have this top 6 pay underground, and free training how to make money without you even do any selling. And we have this journal TikTok traffic app, and journal Instagram traffic app. And the end, this 200 special bonuses, whereby in these bonuses you are going to get a lot other bonuses inside here also, right? Under these 200 bonus bundle here, right? Okay, so this is what you're going to get: 3,000 email swap, complete email marketing video training courses, right? Access to over 100 traffic software, and you have also some other tools like iGram machine, site analyzer, and WP web transformer. Oh, this is some really cool plugin. This is for to grow how Instagram by using the iGram machine, and we have the learn for you opt-in and deep the capture page template, right? And active make money online training courses from Brandon and from Jono. You also bundle as part of the bonus here, right? Alright, so everything you'll be getting from me just for $17, right? Okay, so if you would like to have the my 3 special bonuses, do feel free to actually buy the front end or any of the OTO here, right? Any of the OTO you mentioned above that, for example, right? The one on OTO, the front end and the OTO one, this is one you should pick up as part of the front end because they come with the unlimited. All the Pro features are and 5 fast action bonus. They come together with this OTO one itself, right? Okay, so just click the link below this video. You come to this review page, click on this orange button, it brings you to this Sonik special sales page and just do a budget of the Sonik together. We might over 200 item of bonuses, right? Okay, that cost me 10,000, right? To get all this bonus for you, right? Okay, so before I enter this presentation, let me actually show you in this about how easy you can create this in this lemon video, how easy you can create an app using this Sonik, right? So when you log into Sonik, this is what you're going to see, right? So this is what you're going to see, yeah, on the top there. You can actually just quick video. So on the dashboard build app, you just click on the build app, put in the URL, any other website you want to convert it to do the mobile app, right? Just put the name, paste the name here, right? And give the name of the internal name and about, and also check on the GDPR, right? And you upload the app icon, just click submit. Okay, then it just need to download this zip file. It's called kit.zip, right? Okay, right, then you can just upload it to the under this the website. It will show you how to do that, right? You can upload it to, just follow the step, right? It will upload to one of these domain. Okay, so just now do the introduction. Okay, so just follow all the step here, just copy and the script and also just paste it into, just edit and paste it into the one of these index file, right? So then you are done with the script run, right? So you just basically need to upload back into your domain under your HTML path, right? Okay, right? So your app is all done ready under here. So what you need to do is just need to go into that. Okay, so there is a few steps we can easily create your app without you even have to. So the same step can be followed for the Android app, so you don't even have to go to the App Store for any approval, right? So just a few simple steps. The full training is given inside the member area. So just follow every single step, then you are able to convert any of the website into the mobile app, right? Okay, so that is you don't have to. So it's a brand new one-click cloud app base and build it that you create unlimited mobile app, sell unlimited app to client in local business with commercial, right? Okay, right. Okay, so that is the best part about this Sonik, right? So to take fast action, click the link below this video and grab all my bonuses together with this Sonik, right? This is one of the faster way to build any mobile app without any of the Play Store or App Store approval, right? And you can sell it to the local business and make a lot of profit out of this, right? Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.